Iran has announced a toll in the Strait of Hormuz as part of a 10-point proposal to end the war. The country has announced plans to impose a toll of $1 to $2 million per ship or per barrel of oil. The money raised will be used to rebuild infrastructure. However, Oman does not agree to this plan. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi said that during the 2-week ceasefire, safe passage through the Strait of Hormuz will be ensured by the Iranian military. The Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, IRGC, has published a new map showing that the ships have been moved to Iran's northern coast, away from the conventional road on the Oman side. According to international law, tolls cannot be imposed on international waterways like the Strait of Hormuz. Only limited fees for shipping or port use services are allowed. Although neither Iran nor the United States have signed the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea. Meanwhile, Iran's new supreme leader, Mostafa Khamenei, told state television that Iran had entered a new phase in managing the Strait of Hormuz, and that those responsible for the recent attacks would be punished and compensated. He said, Iran does not want war, but will not give up its rights. Analysts believe that the delay in oil shipments and the demand for tariffs have upset shipowners. Currently, only ships from Iran's friendly countries are able to pass through. In the long run, major countries, especially the United States, will not easily accept these tariffs. They have warned that it is important to keep Hormuz open and maintain international standards. However, in reality, shipowners may be forced to comply with Iran's conditions. Otherwise, their ships may be at risk. On the other hand, U.S. President Donald Trump said that Iran cannot impose any fees on tankers passing through the Strait of Hormuz, and if it does, it should be stopped immediately. He also claimed that oil supplies will be normalized soon, whether it is with Tehran's cooperation or not.